Hello, welcome to our channel. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get lot more useful videos. Microsoft offers free courses along with the Microsoft Certified Professional Certificate. So let's see what it is. So this is Microsoft Advertising Learning Lab launched by Microsoft, and we are going to see what are the courses here. Let's go in. There are a lot of courses: tools and reporting, products and features, campaign strategy, Microsoft advertising basics, certification exam guide, which you can use for your exam preparation, and Microsoft advertising certified professional. And there are a lot of things. So let us see what are the courses available. So if you click on see courses, you have to first sign in. So you can straight away give it there itself, or when you come to this page you can see at the top right corner sign in. When you click on sign in, you will be coming here, and if you already have a Microsoft account, just give your mail ID and password and carry on, or else click on create one to create a Microsoft account. So give your mail ID. Let me give mine. Give your mail ID and click on next. Just make sure you're giving the right mail ID and then click on next. Now you have to create a password, so make it strong. Just give a strong password for your Microsoft account. Let me give my password and just click on next once you have given the password. Oops, it seems like I have done something wrong. Sorry for the inconvenience. It says it should have at least 8 characters and uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. So let me change it. Sorry for the inconvenience again. And now let me click on next. Just give your name and first name and last name, and then click on next. Once you have given your correct name, just check it whenever you click on next. And now just select your country name and give your date of birth. And again, I'm telling you, make sure everything is correct. So once you give your country name, birth date, birth month and year, just make sure you are giving the right year, because that is where most of us would make a mistake. And then click on next. Once you give your mail ID and details, you will receive an email from Microsoft account team. So you have to enter that code. There will be a code in that mail, a 4-digit code. Like you can see here, verify your email address. Just copy the code you receive in your mail and go back there and just paste it and check that box and click on next. And this is just a captcha entry. You just need to enter what are the characters you are seeing there, just to make sure that you are a human and not a bot. So once you are given all these things, click on next. Once you click on next, you will be seeing something like this. It is just asking permission to access your profile info, so just click on yes and continue with this, and you'll be seeing something like data retention message. So just read this, just 5 lines, just read this and click on continue. Now that we have created a Microsoft account and signed into Advertising Learning Lab, we can access all the courses now. So let's go and see the courses. So you can see course catalog here. Just click on that, you'll be seeing all the courses. So under campaign strategy, there is reporting, syndication and ad types, Google import, again reporting, accounts and billing, audience targeting, automated bidding, dynamic search ads, Microsoft advertising scripts, audience network, and many more are there. So universal event tracking, UVT, and Microsoft advertising intelligence. So there are a lot of things to learn. So just go through this, go through the titles and see here, just a 5-minute video, 10-minute video, and you'll be learning how actually Microsoft advertising works. So you can even become an affiliate or a partner once you learn all these stuff and become a certified advertising professional. At the top of the page you can see certification, and under certification you'll be seeing certification study guide. Once you click on that, you will be coming to this page, Microsoft advertising certification study guide. So all the materials in this page will help you to prepare for the certified professional exam which you need to take at the end of this course, and it is free of cost. Totally, there are 5 topics: consider, manage, optimize, report, and setup. And under consider, you are having 4 subtopics again. So once you click on that subtopic name, you will be seeing all the study materials you need to. You can use this to study for your exam, and it is enough. It is more than enough actually. So under manage, there are again 6 topics, and under optimize, you have 4 topics to learn, and under report, you have just one. So it's easy one. Under setup, again there are 15 to 20 topics which you need to cover. Once you have completed all these topics, and if you are ready to take the exam, you can see at the bottom get certified now. So if you are ready to take the exam, just click on take the exam. Or if you need some time to prepare for the exam, just click on resources at the top, and you can see under training you can see Microsoft advertising learning lab again. So if you click on that advertising learning lab, you'll be going to that home page where we started. So you'll be coming to this page again, and once you are ready, come back to this page and click on certification again. You'll be seeing my certification dashboard, and once you click on certification dashboard, you will be coming to my certification dashboard page. So you can see here welcome and your name and certification status not yet accredited. So before taking the exam, what you need to do is submit all your details. So to give your details, just click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you will be coming to this page, membership profile edit. So if you have already submitted the information, you can edit here as well. And what you need to do is give your first name, last name, and phone. If you phone is recommended but it's not compulsory. If you want, you can give your phone number, your email id, and your website, that is your company url, or even if you have your own company, you can give your own url. So I'm here giving here prodigyplay.blogspot.com, and click on submit. Once you have given all the details, and you will be seeing your profile has successfully activated. Sorry, your profile has been successfully saved. So once you see this, just click on continue. You can see here now take exam button is made available. So if you are ready, just select the language in which you want to take the exam, and I'll give English India, and just click on take exam. Once you are ready, before you take the exam, go to the description, and we have given you another video for exam answers. So you'll be receiving same questions, but the question order might change a bit. So but you'll receive the same 100 questions. So once you click on take exam, you will be coming to this page. And assessment, you can see Microsoft's advertising certified professional exam. If you click on start, and it will give you some information, that is details about the exam, that is welcome to Microsoft advertising certified professional exam. What it says is you have unlimited time to complete the 100 question exam. That is, you need to answer 100 questions, and score of 80% is required to achieve the professional status. That means you need to get at least 80 questions correct out of those 100 questions. Don't worry, again we have given a video for answers. So once you're ready, click on proceed and just start answering the questions. So you can take break whenever you want. There isn't any time limit or something like that. You can take a break for every 10 questions, or you can take a break for every 50 questions. So your data will be stored, and you can continue from wherever you left. Check the description, we have given a separate video for Microsoft exam answers. you will be receiving the same questions, but the exam question order might change. That is, your first question will be my 100th question, and my 100th question might be your first question. The order might change, but the answers are the same, the questions are the same. You can get a 100% score, that is 100 out of 100 correct, if you watch that video. So I got 100%. Let me show it to you. So this is my 100th question. Once you click on submit response, you have to click again on submit exam after answering your 100th question, and you can see now my exam score. See here, you have scored 100%. You have successfully completed the assessment. That I got 100%. That is, I got all the 100 questions right. And you can also get that. Just watch the video in which we have provided answers for this exam, and you can get the video link in the description. Check it out. So you will be receiving the same questions. Once you completed the exam, just click on continue, and you will be going back to the home page. So sorry for the poor internet again. Now you can see here you are back to your home page. Just click on certification again, and you can see here certification dashboard. Go to your dashboard as we did earlier. You can now see here download certificate. You can take the exam again if you want, but I have got under 100% correct, and you can get 100% correct if you watch that video. And once you get 100%, you can, sorry, once you have passed the exam, you can download the certificate. So if I click on download certificate, my certificate will be downloaded. Let me click on that and show you how the certificate actually looks. It's downloading, certificate is downloading, and that's it. My Microsoft Advertising Certified Professional Certificate is ready. You can also get that. You can also get the Microsoft certificate. It's just very simple. So check the description. We have given link for this advertising learning lab site, and as well as we have given the video link for exam answers. Watch that video. Questions might change, but the answers are same. So check the description for all links. So if you like this video, drop a like, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time in another good video.